Now, you are sitting on the beautiful beach and watching the lovely view of the sea. Feel yourself becoming comfortable while looking at the beautiful sea. Now, take nice, slow, deep breaths in and out while looking at it. Now, close your eyes and continue to breathe slowly. With your eyes closed, recall the pleasant memories of love and gratitude with your mind's eye. Now, you are listening to the sounds of waves rolling in from the deep sea as you continue to breathe slowly. You feel the sounds of waves spreading all over your brain and driving out all the negative thoughts. When you breathe out deeply and fully, you feel all the negative energy from your body gradually escaping through your nose while you breathe out. Now, your brain is shining brilliantly, and your body is releasing all tension. Now, you feel your breathing become very deep, and you feel your whole body completely relax and comfortable. Now, you feel the cool breeze brushing past your face. You feel it washing away all negativity in your mind, but feel your mind filled up with love, gratitude, and peace. When you open your eyes, you will see everyone and everything around you in thanks. When you open your eyes, you will do everything positively and successfully. Now, take 3 deep breaths and open your eyes.